Hello and welcome to WASP3D feature tutorial. Menu Group is an interactive tool. It is like a normal group with an add-on functionality of creating loop-able objects with different data sets. It works as a normal group when in play mode, but for Menu Group functionality, it needs to be in step mode with changes in few additional parameters. Here, we have group with a player image and text. We will animate the group in x-axis, in 100 frames. Click on the group on viewport, and press Shift to make copies. Total animation of the group is 100 frames, so we are taking 4 copies within 20 frames offset. The animation range equals to the animation offset multiplied by the total menu. The users can make 3 copies with 25 frames offset. Press F2 to rename. Next, we create a menu group. Now we need to make all groups child of menu group. Press F4 and go to Parameter Pool. Set Offset to 20, Range to 100. Check on Menu Repeat to play menu in loop mode. The Scrub Damper works in the range of 0 to 1. It defines the speed of the menu group. It works if Scrub Able is on. Scrub Increment is helpful to define the direction of the menu group. The Scrubbable needs to be checked on to scrub the menu group. Scrub Min is specified by a frame number, which defines a minimum limit for the menu group animation. Users will not be able to scrub beyond this frame number. Press F7 and go to Track View. Once there, add control actions for jump mode. Jump control action is used to animate or move menu group instances. Play steps are frames numbers by which it moves, block size defines the speed. Mode must be set to step for scrub-able objects. It's majorly used for menu group. Press F8 to go to Variable Sheet. Take UDT add-in. We have a pre-made UDT with name images columns. Set mode to Carousel. Check on Loop to play data in repeat mode. Now, as we have 5 players on screen, the row per page will be 5. Next, we wire text images with UDT. Drag text from table on 3D text. Similarly, wire image column with textures file name in texture pool. Ensure that the textures are a copy not cloned. Once wiring of text images is done, we will add record move to set next set of data. Press F10 to go to action set. Make 2 action set next previous. Go to action, select data and then record move. Select UDT table as a target next as action. Similarly, add record move for previous data. Press F9 for hierarchy pool and select menu group. Right-click and go on event and select on menu change. So now, on node enter, add match variable action. Now, select item exit end from event parameters tab as target. Here, we will add 2 cases, one for item exit end true, other for false. When value is true, we will play action set next. When value is false, we will play action set previous. Now, exit switch case, add control action to stack. Next, we will drag others group on player group 1, to copy same functionality. This is called master-slave functionality. Now, go to hierarchy pool, right-click on menu group. Go to events and select gesture. Add jump for forward on right swipe, with 20 frames and speed as desired. Add jump for backward on left swipe, with 20 frames and speed as desired. Now select gesture mode check. Save.WSL on path is shown to check in Mimosa. In the hierarchy pool, right-click on Scene Graph, go to Scene Queue. Search Set Parameters, Control Action End. Select Target as menu group. Select Max Virtual Count from Object Parameters list. Select Total Records from UDT Summary Table. Press Add. Launch WASP by Mimosa. Load the instance by hitting the I button and making a left swipe to load scene. Finally, right swipe to move menu to forward, and left swipe to move backwards.